Legal permanent residents who do not have a green card, such as people who have been approved for residence and they're waiting for their green cards to be issued. Legal permanent residents with the Form I-90, Form I-751 or N-400 application pending and whose automatic extension as indicated on their receipt notice has already expired. Please listen in. A few days ago on March 16, 2023, USCIS announced a new procedure to obtain ADIT stamps. ADIT stamps constitute a temporary evidence of your permanent residence, and those are typically issued while the Form I-90, I-751 or N-400 applications are pending. This new procedure is to help USCIS deal with their backlogs. Under the prior procedure, residents were required to call USCIS contact center and then they would request an InfoPass appointment. They would wait for that appointment to be scheduled and then they would need to go in person to attend the appointment at the local USCIS field office to obtain the ADIT stamp in their passports. That's proof of their lawful permanent residency. Now, due to delays at the contact center and there's now also limited InfoPass appointment availability, a lot of people are not able to get ADIT stamps in a timely manner. So under this new procedure, USCIS will mail temporary evidence of permanent residence to people who request it. In order for you to make such a request, you're going to have to follow these steps. Number one, you need to call USCIS contact center. Call them at 800-375-5283. They will verify your identity and your address. The USCIS officer will do that. Then the officer will determine if an in-person InfoPass appointment is needed or if USCIS can provide an ADIT stamp through the mail. An in-person appointment will be needed for people who have an urgent need for the ADIT stamp. Number two, do not have a usable photo in the USCIS system or in circumstances in which the USCIS officer is unable to confirm the resident's identity or address. For those who do not need an InfoPass appointment, the USCIS field office that has jurisdiction over that residence, they will receive their information and USCIS will issue a Form I-94 with the ADIT stamp, the DHS seal and printed photo of the resident, and then USCIS will mail it to you at your address that you have provided. Now, this document is valid for up to a year and it will show that you're still a lawful permanent resident despite your pending application with US Immigration. I hope this helps you. All the best and follow me for more.